To use Bitmart in the USA, start by creating an account on the Bitmart website or mobile app. Click the Sign Up button and enter your email address and password. Then verify your email address by clicking the link sent by Bitmart. Once your account is verified, log in and click the profile icon. Then select Identity Verification. You will need to provide a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and a selfie to complete the verification process. After your identity is verified, you can deposit funds into your account using a bank transfer, credit card, or cryptocurrency. To do this, click the Buy and Sell button. Then select the payment method you want to use. Next, navigate to the trading page by clicking the Trade button. Here you can view the current prices of various cryptocurrencies and place buy or sell orders. You can also set up stop loss and take profit orders to limit your losses and lock in profits. To place a trade, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. Then enter the amount and price you want to trade at. You can also use the market price or set a limit order to trade at a specific price. It is also important to note that Bitmart is a global cryptocurrency trading platform and is available to users in the USA, but it is subject to U.S. regulations and laws. As such, users in the USA must comply with all applicable laws and regulations when using the platform. In terms of security, Bitmart uses advanced security measures to protect user accounts and funds, including two-factor authentication and cold storage. However, it is still important for users to take their own security precautions, such as using a strong password and keeping their account information confidential. Overall, using Bitmart in the USA is a relatively straightforward process, but it does require some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency trading and the platform itself. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, users can safely and securely buy and sell cryptocurrencies on the platform.